internet, my name is Sarah and today I will be doing a video of me going on a hike. So I've been awake for a little bit and I went outside for the first time and it is beautiful outside and I think it is great weather for hiking. So I don't have any really specific hiking shoes, so I'm just going to use shoes that are comfortable for me. And those would be my Vans. I also just want to show you a few things that I am taking with me on my hike. So I'm taking headphones in case I want to listen to music, whether on the hike up there or at the top of the hike. My sketchbook, just in case I want to draw anything while I'm up there. And then of course a pencil and a marker pen type thing. Also, I was feeling a little tape today, so I'm going to utilize that. And then also a blanket to sit on. So another important thing I like to take on me when I go hiking is a little bit of toilet paper. I always just take, not even like the whole roll, just like, you know, maybe a couple hand twirls. And I just keep that in my bag just in case an emergency arises. I am prepared. Today I'm taking my llama water bottle. Put that in. Yep, we're good to go. So now I'm heading out and I am going to drive to the mountains. Yay! So I am all set up and ready to go. Putting my key in the ignition. And now I'm on my way. Let's get to it. Today the mountain that I will be climbing is Pine Mountain. It's in Cartersville, Georgia. So that is where I'm headed. It's about like a 20-minute drive, so not too bad, not too bad. Get back to y'all when I arrive. Well, I have made it, and it is Pine Mountain. I'm really ready for this hike. I think I'm gonna go this way. Alright, so I stopped at a bench to take a water break. So I'm just gonna be taking this break because I'm so tired. But it's okay. I ended up choosing the harder route. The harder route usually goes faster, just depending on how active you are in general. So it might have taken me the same amount of time to do the harder route and the easier route. I just honestly can't wait to get to the top. So it's so good outside. Like the breeze is nice. It's a little cold, but I mean, once you warm up, like it's not that bad. But yeah, I'm about to go shower and I'm gonna see what I'm about to do for the rest of my day.